Hello guys, we are back on we are live on Twitch. Welcome to another session of Recreational Programming. Basically today we'll be creating a bouncing game using Raylib. Raylib is a simple and easy to use library to enjoy video game programming. Uh, we'll create a basic bouncing game using this library. Let's get started. This is the official website for Raylib. Let's check the video. Minecraft Project Showcase 25. Okay. Like this today we'll be creating a bouncing game. I think they are the function that uses it. They are all those functions used in the Raylib, defined in the Raylib library. Let's type into the code. First I'll create a new file. New I think buffer close of it. First I have already installed Raylib. I'll basically do Raylib.h. Main return 0. Let's create a make file for this. Make file. We'll compile and main.c. Do gcc main.c. But since you are using Raylib, we need L Raylib, I think. For run, basically first compile and dot slash it out. Let's try it. Files make run. It compiles, but no output since we haven't written anything. Let's check into documentation. First there is int window. First, so we have to create init a window. For that we have to create first size of the window. For that I will create two variables. Width, which will basically I think 700. Height will be 400. I'll call this method init window. It has 3 parameters. First the width, I'll directly pass width, then we do height, and title of the window, bouncing game. Let's try running it. Make run. The window appeared, but instantly disappeared. So for that we have to do, I think we have to do loop. Close window, Windows should close. We have to zoom it. Windows should close window. Now while loop, while Windows should close. While window is closed, just do nothing. Close window. I think it should work. Yeah, the screen is visible here, but it's black. Okay. First we'll make the background white for our game. For this, I think we have backgrounds. Yeah, I have a clear background function. It basically needs a parameter argument of color, clear backgrounds. But I think we'll be using whites. Event compiles or what? It's not working. I think we have to do begin drawing. And here, draw. Let's try compiling it. Yeah, the window is white. Now we'll be getting but size, I think very small, so I have to increase the height and width of the screen. Width 1000 at 700. Let's try compiling it. Yeah, this is now perfect. Now first we'll create a ball here that will basically bounce. For that we'll get some constant variables here and radius, ball radius equal to 20. Now we can do it like this. I think for circle, it's a polycircle, we have to like circle, draw circle. For that we need position 2 here. So for position we'll be using vector 2 position equal to ball position equal to, I think we'll be doing width divide by 2 comma upper, I think 300. Since it is type passes the float. If we use the function draw circle V, we have to pass the ball position. For radius we have a variable color in green. Let's compile it. Yeah, there's a ball, but is it not moving? Let's try moving it. Inside the loop, ball position dot y. Let's create a constant here first. It's gravity. Since ball is affected by gravity, we will define gravity as floating point. 5.0, I think. Let's try equal to gravity. Let's try it. I think it's very fast. Ball position dot y. Ball position y. Ball is not being shown. Draw circle V. By right, we have y. Zero. So it's small values. 0.5. Yeah. I think it's very slow. 0.1. We basically have to decrease the gravity. Yes, I think bouncing factor later, but for now we'll just be using 1.5. Using gravity here. Gravity. Very much. I think 1 is very much. So 0.5. Very much speed. 0.15. It's perfect, but it's going down. So it need a bouncing factor, I think. Bouncing factor. Since it is against gravity, we have to write it negative. 2 or something like that. 0. First we have to check if the ball has hit the ground. So if ball position dot y plus radius of the ball is greater than if the position of y and the sum of the ball radius is greater than or equal to height of the window, then basically we have to bounce the ball here. For this area, I draw text. I'll touch the ground. Position is to be center between seats. I think we have first introduction a variable for the velocity. Loads velocity of y. Initially we'll set it to 0, but I think the bouncing factor is very much. I have to decrease to 0.8. Now here, I think we need it here. Like velocity of y plus equal to gravity. This time the velocity will increase, then we will set the ball position. Ball position dot y will also increase by velocity of y, right? Let's test it. Ball touched the ground. We have to do like this. We're not have to do like this. We have to cross velocity of y will be height of the spring. First we have to decrease the radius, ball radius. Then I think we have to change the velocity of y. Velocity of y to sorry. Let's we have to decrease the velocity of y into a bouncing factor. I think this is, let's compile it. Yeah, ball touched the ground. Remove this line. And if absolute value, perhaps floating absolute value of velocity of y is less than 1.0, then we simply set the velocity of y equal to 0. Like this, still clear. Right.